Hey, how you guys doing today? My name is Herbert Brady. I'm over here at J-Tech Institute. What I got going on today is we're doing a little stick welding. Okay, what I got is AC225 arc welder. An arc welder is the name for a stick welder. Okay, I'm gonna explain you a little bit about it. These are my settings, okay? And what I prefer is 150 because I'm using a 70-14 stick, and the 70. This is what you call a 70-14. The 70 is for the tensile strength. The 1 is for the is the angle that you want to have it on. That's your position. The 1 is your position, and the 4 is your the 4 stands for several different things. It's according to what stick you're using, okay? And this rod is like when you turn it on, it got the on switch right there. You have to strike it against the metal. You have to strike this stick against the metal, and it will start the arc. And then once it arc out, you can be able to weld it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my safety glasses, and my helmet, and I'm gonna show you guys how to run a couple beads with the stick, and pretty much I'll close these gaps that you see right here also. And we'll go ahead and turn the machine on. You got it set at 150. I'm gonna go a little bit slower, so I'm gonna turn it down to 135. Okay? Like I told you, when the stick touches the metal, it performs an arc. And I'm gonna go into like circular position, like that. Remember what I say about the stick position? I got it at a 1-degree angle. Okay, that's how you run a bead. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna run it down that crack of the weld, so I can show you how to close that gap up. Okay, I'm gonna keep it going from both ends of the crack. Okay, that's how you close in the crack. Okay, my name is Herbert Brady, and I'm over here at J-Tech Institute, and I just showed you how to run a stick weld. I showed you how to run a bead, and I showed you how to weld 2 pieces of metal together. If you need any more help with videos on welding, stick, MIG, TIG, just come on my YouTube page, go to Herbert Brady, and I can show you some more helpful tips. And if you need a great school to come check out at J-Tech. We'll jumpstart your career over here.